Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply eyeshadow in the right way. Now I have got so many queries on my Instagram and on my YouTube as well as to how to apply eyeshadow, and I had done a tutorial like long time back when I had explained it in depth, but there are still some people who do not know how to do it. And today I'm going to simplify the process even more for you guys, and we are going to take it step by step. So in this particular video I'm going to show you how to apply one eyeshadow, and I'm going to do more tutorials when I show you how to mix and match eyeshadows, and how to apply more than two eyeshadows on your eyelids as well. So I'm going to break it down for you guys and also tell you about all of the tools that you can use, all of the eyeshadow palettes. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and also if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that red subscribe button so you get notified when all of these videos are up on my channel. And let's get started. Now if you're a beginner, I just wanted to tell you that there are two types of eyeshadows. So first up, we have powder eyeshadows which come in palettes like these, and then we have stick eyeshadows as well, which are these ones right here, and these are by K Beauty. And if you're a beginner, then I would highly recommend starting out with stick eyeshadows because they're just so easy to blend and so easy to use as well, and they come in a variety of colors, so you can pick and choose which one you want. So that's the first thing that I would tell you, is that start off with stick eyeshadows and then move on to powder eyeshadows. But obviously in this video I'm going to show you how to blend both of those. The next thing that you need to understand is obviously what tools to use to blend this eyeshadow, because obviously blending is like the key when it comes to eyeshadows and to get that perfect eye look. Now there are so many types of brushes in the market and it can be really confusing. Trust me, when I started out it was really scary and confusing for me too, but I've narrowed it down to just two brushes that you need. And if you are a beginner, obviously if you want to learn more about it, then you can obviously invest in other brushes as well, which I'm going to talk in the later videos. So first we have this PAC 373 brush, which looks something like this. So as you can see that this is a flat brush, so this picks up the product in a right way and obviously places it where you want it to. So this is great if you just want to apply the shadow on your eyelid. And second is, which is the most important, and this is the Morphe M441 brush. Obviously other brands also have blending brushes, but this is what that one looks like. So as you can see, this is a bit more fluffy, so it's just going to blend the eyeshadows really well onto your eyes, and that's why you should definitely have both of these brushes in your collection. So first I'm going to show you how to use a stick eyeshadow. Now stick eyeshadows are really easy to use and quite self-explanatory. So this is how they look like, and this is the product. You just need to sharpen it and then you can reuse it. K Beauty actually has a bunch of different shades, and you have matte eyeshadows as well as shimmer ones. You have a lot of variety to choose from, and they stay on your eyes also for a really long time, which is what I love about these. Then the other ones which I really love are these Rimmel eyeshadow sticks, and I've been using this forever. As you can see that the writing on this is completely disappeared, and this is a really nice dark brown shade, and I'm just going to show you this is what it looks like. So if you are someone who does not like a lot of shimmer on your eyes and you just want like a plain matte color, then you can definitely give these a go as well. These are really smooth, and you can actually smoke out the color as well, just blending it right like this. Now when it comes to selecting what sort of eyeshadow color to go for, it obviously all depends on your personal preference or what the occasion is or what outfit you're wearing and all of those. But I personally think that the best and the most safest is going for like a nice brown shade, or even like a nice gold or a bronze if you are wearing like something traditional. Those are the safest colors to go for, and they're not going to look over the top, and that's what I would recommend. If you are a beginner, do not go into like colored eyeshadows right from the beginning, because obviously you're going to look really crazy and you don't want that. So that's the reason I would definitely recommend going for something like this, which is like a really nice brown shade, or obviously these ones as well, which is like a really nice bronze. So this is in the shade Fortune, and I'm just going to show you the swatch of this. So this is what that one looks like. It has a really nice shimmer to it. And then we have this one which is called Special Effects, and this is what that one looks like. So it's a really nice bronze shade, and they have a really nice gold as well, so you can obviously go for those kind of shades. So what I'm going to do is, on this eye I'm going to show you how to use the eyeshadow stick, and on this side I'm going to show you how to use the powder eyeshadows. So first we'll start off with the sticks, and I'm actually going to be using this shade, which is called as Special Effects, and it's a really nice bronze shade. And I'm going to be using only one eyeshadow today. That's the whole point of this video, is to show you how to use just one eyeshadow and not complicated with using like 3 or 4 eyeshadows and then blending it in and then making it more confusing. So what I'm going to do with this is just directly go in and apply it on my eyes. So what you do is you start from the center of your lid, because that's the safest space, and you stay as close to the lash line as possible, and then you're basically just coloring your lid with this one eyeshadow. Then you're just going to apply this a little bit away from the lash line and then in the inner corner as well. Just make sure that you're being really slow and steady with this, you know, do not rush, and then just keep adding the color. So as you saw that this was so easy to apply, and you can do this within minutes, and anybody can do this, trust me. You do not need to be a pro at this, and you can just see that it adds such a beautiful color to your eye. And if you want, then you can add an eyeliner as well, and you know, define your eyes even more, and just lots and lots of lashes and mascara, and you're going to be good to go. So now I'm going to move on to this eye and show you how to apply powder eyeshadows. And the most important thing is investing in a really good eyeshadow palette, because the pigment has to be really strong enough to show on your eyes as well, so that you don't just keep on adding color. So you know, there are a lot of brands which have great eyeshadow palettes. There are affordable ones and there are expensive ones as well. So whatever suits your budget, you should definitely get those. So some of the affordable ones which I can definitely recommend are Makeup Revolution ones. Then you know, NYX also has some really good eyeshadow palettes. Then you have PAC, and if you can get your hands on Colourpop or Morphe, if someone is flying down from the US, then you should definitely get those. They're just so good in terms of quality and pigment as well, and so many colors to choose from, and again so affordable as well. So as I said that today I'm only going to be using one eyeshadow, so I'm just going to take the product on this brush, okay, and just coat the brush with this color, and obviously pat the excess off because you don't want excess product. And then what you do is, I'm just going to show you how I exactly hold the brush. So here is where I hold it, so it's not too high, because if you hold it over here, then it's not going to apply the product properly. This is the exact place where you should hold the brush, which is not too much at the end and not too much ahead as well. And this will just make sure that you apply the product evenly and you have much more control. So then what you do is you start again from the center, okay, like this, and then you just pack the product on in the inner corner of your eye as well. Now when it comes to using shimmer eyeshadows in your eyes, just make sure that you're patting the product, because if you move it too much, then you're gonna have fallout. And if you don't have a brush, then you can obviously go in with your fingers as well, because they also have a really nice pickup. So I'm just going to apply this one with my finger, so you can see how it just applies everything so nicely. And I'm just going to apply it in my crease as well, which is this fold right here. So this is how the eyeshadow looks like, and as you can see that I've actually applied this particular shade a little above my eyelid area as well. And the reason for that is, as you can see that my eyes are really small and the eyelid space is barely there. So what I mean by that is, when I open up my eyes and look directly straight, as you can see, there's barely any, you know, shade or, you know, color that you can see. So this is how little the eyelid space is, which is why I do not spend too much time applying like 4 to 5 eyeshadows on my eyes and blending it and all of that, because at the end when I open my eyes, you're barely gonna see anything. So what I do is I actually just go a little bit above, okay, because then you can actually see exactly what I have applied, and that's the difference between this eye and this eye. So as you can see here, I have not gone above, and this is just on my eyelid, and here you can see that I've gone a little bit above my eyelid and I've used it in my crease as well, so I can see the difference between the two eyes. This obviously pops more and you can see more color on this eye as compared to this. So I personally love going a bit overboard, which is why, as you can see, I have applied it a little bit above my eyelid space, and this just enhances the eye even more, and makes my eye look even more bigger as compared to this, which might close it down a bit. So that's how easy it was to apply eyeshadow, and I'm going to take you step by step on how you can build onto this as well. And obviously the next step and the next video is going to be how you can layer eyeshadows and apply more than one. I just wanted you all to get a hang of this, and as you all saw that it was so easy to do, so definitely just grab any eyeshadow palette which you have lying around in your house and try this out, but just apply one eyeshadow at a time, and then you'll get a hang of it. And obviously in the next tutorials I'm going to show you a bit more in depth as well. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you still have queries, then make sure you leave them in the comments down below for me to answer, and also share this video with your friends as well. Last but definitely not the least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.